Hi, sir, ma'am. My name is Rochelle Kabakungan, 29 years of age. I'm married. I have a daughter 5 years old. My religion is Roman Catholic. And I have two sisters and four brothers. I finished my studies, 2 years course. I graduate as a ICT or Information Communication Technology. I live in Quezon City, Philippines.
So what is your work experience?
My work experience in Philippines as helper.
Your main duty is
My duty and responsibilities are cooking, taking care of the babies, gardening, ironing and wash clothes, ma'am.
okay. So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family, and Hong Kong is have a good salary, and Hong Kong is the one of the best and beautiful country, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So how long do you expect to work in Hong Kong?
Ma'am,
How long? How long?
um, I finished my contract, ma'am.
Or more?
More, ma'am.
Okay. So do you love kids?
I have kids, ma'am.
You have kids, but you like to play with them and sing with them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you know how to sing maybe song?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show us?
Yes, ma'am. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. It, ha, ha, ha.
Okay, thank
Sorry.
you.